Hello everyone. We already covered in previous video what is an agent, what are sensors, actuators. Now we have a good idea of how an agent interacts with an environment. Now in this lecture we are going to study the good behavior or the concept of rationality in an agent, right? So the basic idea is that in an artificial intelligence, whatever AI agent we are developing, we want that agent to work as per the desired actions, right? And those desired actions make the agent as a rational agent, and it is counted as a good behavior. So whenever, so basically you can say that it's our objective to make an agent a rational agent, or you can say it should work as per the desired actions. So we will discuss this now. Let's get started. So the first concept, first of all, the concept of rationality depends upon these four measures. Let's see one by one. The first one is the performance measure, which we will discuss in brief here, and second one is the agent prior knowledge, and we know that agents gather the knowledge from the environment. So basically agents prior knowledge come from the environment actions that agent can perform this. This is the third dependency. We know that agent will perform some actions by actuators. The fourth one is the agent percept sequence, and the percept sequence is based on history of what the agent has perceived from the environment, and we know that it comes from the sensors. So all these 4 points can write them as piece: performance measure, environment, actuator, and then the sensor. Collectively we call all of these dependencies as task environment. For example, you can see here the example of an agent medical diagnosis systems. Here in the medical diagnosis system, the performance measure is healthy patient, obviously, low cost, minimize cost, and the environment is 100%. In the environment we have patient, hospital, and staff. Here you can see the amazing one, actuators and then the sensors, where you can perform some actions. Actuator means screen display, question test, diagnosis, treatment, referrals, and in the sensor you can see keyboard, entry of symptoms, finding, patient answer. We will discuss about the properties of task environments in further lectures. Let's discuss the first one is the performance measure. So we can basically say that if an agent follow these rules, these four rules, we can say that is a rational agent. So let's discuss what is performance measure exactly. So let's suppose we have some AI agent. Let's say take an example of self-driving car. Now an agent is here. Now an agent here is can be a program or a software that can actually perceive the environment. Let's say that the environment has some state s, right? So environment can be in some state also. So now the agent will use its sensor to perceive the environment, and then using actuator it will perform the action. So agent will perceive from the environment and perform some action. After performing some action on the environment, it will make some changes in the environment. In case of self-driving car, the AI agent will have to perform actions like when to apply the braking system, or when to move or change the lanes, and when to stop and when to start. These are the actions that it will take from the environment, and this makes the environment changes from state S to some variety of states that I have written S dash, S double dash, S triple dash, and so on, right? So it is a sequence of changes in the environment by the agent. Now if these changes in the environment are desired actions or the desired changes that and really wanted the AI agent to make right. So this known as the notion of desired ability, right? So this basically just means that whenever you are making some changes, if these are the desired changes, we call it as the notion of desirability. And this notion of desirability determines measure of the AI agent. And now we can see we have defined here what sorry so this notion of desirability determines the performance measure of the AI agent. Okay, so now you can see we have defined here rational agent. A rational agent for each possible perceived sequence. Uh, we know that perceived sequence comes from the history of the agent which it has perceived before. So for all the possible sequences that we have a rational agent should select an action that is expected to maximize its performance measure. Here you can see some definition. For each possible perceived sequence, a rational agent should select an action that is expected to maximize its performance measure given perceived sequences and prior knowledge. Uh, Performance measure basically maximizing performance measure just basically means you are maximizing the notion of desirability, which means you are actually performing the desired actions given perceived sequence, where perceived sequence means the prior knowledge. You can see here the prior knowledge, and you can say uh, with the help of prior knowledge agent act in the environment. Here you can see some other definition. An ideal rational agent always takes the action that maximizes its performance given the perceived sequence and its knowledge, obviously prior knowledge of the environment. An agent program maps from a percept to an action. There are a variety of design. Reflex agent respond immediately to percept. Goal based agent works towards goal. So that's it from my side. I hope you you have clear all the points. Thank you.